In this short video, I'm going to show you how to shave your body hair, but I would also recommend you to go ahead and read the blog post that this video is linked with. It will be there in the description box below, and it is going to give you all the details that you need to know for shaving your face as well as your body hair. And as you can see here, I am using a very regular Gillette Mac 3 razor. This is not something that is woman specific, it's just the same kind of razor that my husband uses. But it's not the same razor. I'm serious. It's not the same razor. Don't use someone else's razor. It's very dangerous. As a lubricating medium, I'm using hair conditioner. Hair conditioners contain a lot of silicone, which makes the skin surface area really slippery and smooth so that your razor can glide across your skin surface very well. You can also use regular soap, anything that works for you. And I've wet my arm. I've just applied conditioner. As you can see, I'm using long strokes in order to take all the hair off. I am holding the razor as close to the surface of my skin as possible, and I'm using longer strokes just in the opposite direction of the hair growth. Make sure to dip your razor in a cup of water once in every while to get rid of all the hair that is stuck inside your razor blades, within the razor blades. And you can also use really short strokes as I'm doing over here. Anything that works for you. For me, it just depends on which part of my body or which nook and corner I'm shaving. Sometimes long strokes work very well, and sometimes short strokes just simply do it for me. And as you can see, this razor is actually very good. It's one of the best razors I've ever used in my life, and it has taken away all of the hair just as I intended to. And once you are done shaving your body part, just make sure to wash off everything very well. Use a good soap, use an exfoliant if you want to. Don't be too harsh on yourself. And also make sure to follow up with a good moisturizer, whether it's gel based or cream based, just in order to soften the hair that is sitting right underneath your skin surface, as well as to moisturize your skin. Just give it a little bit of extra moisture, a little bit of extra glamour, and that's all that is there to shaving. I mean, it is so simple. It just took me minutes, just minutes. And here is a close-up of both my arms. One is unshaved and one is shaved. So as you can see, one of my arms is quite hairy, and still it's not anything that's complicated. So don't be scared of shaving. It is not at all a problem. I've been doing this for 15 years now, and do go ahead and read the blog post, and I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.